Can open floor plans affect heating and cooling? Yes, open floor plans can make heating and cooling harder because air moves farther and less evenly through a larger shared space. An open floor plan can change the way warm and cool air travel through a house. When walls are removed, there are fewer barriers to help hold air in one area, so heat can spread out in winter and cool air can drift away in summer. That means one thermostat may not tell the full story, because the area near it might feel fine while another part of the room feels too hot or too cold. A bigger open space can also need longer run times from the heating and cooling system, which can use more energy. Sunlight matters too, because a room with big windows can heat up fast during the day and cool down quickly at night. Ceilings also matter, since warm air rises and can collect higher up, making people feel chilly near the floor. One detail many people miss is that furniture, rugs, and even door openings can change how air moves, so the same house can feel different after a simple room change. A good way to improve comfort is to use fans, close blinds during hot hours, seal leaks, and make sure vents are not blocked. A common mistake is thinking a bigger system always fixes the problem, when the real issue is often uneven airflow, so have the ductwork and vents checked first. Another mistake is setting one thermostat and assuming every room will match it, so use room thermometers and watch which spots drift away from the target temperature. People also forget about windows and drafts, which can quietly waste a lot of energy, so add weather stripping, shades, or insulated curtains where needed. It also helps to keep doors open or closed based on how air moves in your home, because small changes can make a noticeable difference. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jobbit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.